Here are the 5 best 4K HDMI cable. So let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Zeskit Maya 8K 48 Gbps Certified Ultra High-Speed HDMI Cable. The Zeskit Maya Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable is the best HDMI cable for 4K gaming. It has been tested and certified to provide the 48 Gbps bandwidth required to drive powerful 4K 120 FPS gameplay on the PS5, Xbox Series X, and next-generation gaming PCs. Compared to the Belkin 4K Ultra High-Speed HDMI 2.1 cable, this cable is less expensive and more durable, thanks to its tough and braided cable jacket. Ultra high-speed HDMI cables are also known to fix flickering and HDMI handshake issues common in most 4K setups. Number 2. Monoprice 115428 Certified Premium HDMI Cable. When it comes to cheap and reliable HDMI cables, Monoprice and Amazon Basics lead the way. While the Amazon Basics cable is more durable due to its braided jacket, the Monoprice 4K certified premium high-speed HDMI cable offers the same compatibilities for a lower price. Durability often comes down to how you handle the cable. If you plug and unplug the devices or flex the cable more often, a braided cable is the best option for you. But if the cable is meant to sit behind your TV or monitor untouched, then any cable, whether braided or non-braided, can last a lifetime. Number 3. Belkin Ultra HD High-Speed HDMI 2.1 Cable. The Belkin 4K Ultra High-Speed HDMI 2.1 cable is a sleek, premium HDMI cable supporting the latest HDMI 2.1 specification. It's expensive, but you're paying for a durable, well-built HDMI cable that can handle the highest resolutions and refresh rates, including the 4K at 120 FPS. If you experience image cutouts, flashes, or flickering with your Apple TV, especially while using Dolby Vision, this is the kind of 4K HDMI cable you'll need. It delivers the best 4K HDR viewing experience without any image artifacts. Besides, the cable is officially certified by the HDMI authorized test centers for added peace of mind. Number 4. Amazon Basics Premium Certified Braided HDMI Cable. The Amazon Basics Premium Certified Braided HDMI cable is the best 4K HDMI cable for most people. It's rated for 18 Gbps, which is needed to support 4K resolution at 60 FPS that most modern TVs or monitors and AV receivers are capable of. It's fully compatible with all HDR formats and audio return channel for connecting your soundbar. The cable has a braided cable jacket for improved durability. It can withstand rough handling, lots of flexing, and tight bends than the average rubber cable. Number 5. Monoprice Ultra 8K High-Speed HDMI Cable. The Monoprice 8K Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable is perfect for those looking for an HDMI cable that just works. It is not officially certified or braided, but it supports 4K resolution at up to 60 FPS along with all HDMI 2.1 features such as Dynamic HDR, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, and VRR. This cable can handle all of your 4K needs, whether it's high frame rate gaming or watching high quality 4K movies in Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. It also delivers future-proof 8K support for a lot less than certified ultra high-speed HDMI cables.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.